Hi everyone. I'm going to start a basic beginner oil painting demo today. So for now, I just wanted to show you what materials you're going to need. For starters, you'll need a solvent. I like this one here. It's odorless. And you use that for cleaning your brushes and thinning your oil paints. Or you can use mineral spirits like this here. I don't really have a preference. I think they're both good. They're both odorless. You'll need a container for cleaning your brushes. Now I have this one, but you can use an old jar or something. I like this one. I learned about it at a course. You just clean your brush in there. And then when it's dirty, you lift this part up and you clean all these stuff out of the bottom. Very important to get one with the black seal inside so that when you close it up and lock it, especially if you want to transport it, then it won't leak. Oops. I also like to have a little container that I keep clean solvent in for mixing my paints. I like to have a palette knife for mixing the paints. You can do it with a brush too. I just find palette knife is a bit quicker. And then these are the paints. They come in two sizes. I buy the larger size for colors that I use a lot of. So this one here is titanium white. I use a lot of that one. And some of the others I buy the bigger tubes. Now you don't have to buy, if you're just starting out, you don't have to buy the highest quality. You can just buy the student quality paints. So what we're using here is ultramarine blue, burnt sienna, cadmium yellow light, cerulean blue, cadmium yellow medium, and sap green. You'll also need about at least 3 sizes of brushes. I like to use this one for when I'm filling in the background of a painting, the underpainting. I find it covers a good area quickly. And then this is a 4, a 6, and an 8. So if you don't have a Hakey brush, you can just buy a really big brush. So this is a 12. You will need paper towel for cleaning your brushes and something as a palette. I use this one. It's a disposable palette. I like it a lot. What you can also do is if you have parchment paper, just tape the parchment paper to your surface and you can use that for mixing your paints on. And the last thing you'll need is a canvas. So you'll need a rectangular canvas. You can get any size you want, as long as it's rectangular. And that's the picture we're going to be painting. Now it turned out really dark on the printout. It's a lot lighter on the camera. But anyway, we'll work with that. I just wanted to do a quick video on canvases. The one I'm using for this painting is a standard canvas. So it is about a 3/4 of an inch deep. And this one is finished nicely in the back. As long as you get one that's stapled in the back, you should be fine. So that's the standard canvas. And the other option is to get a gallery depth canvas. So that is 1.5 inches wide. And The standard one, usually you would frame that, but this wider one you don't have to. If you paint the sides either the same as the painting, like continue the painting around the sides, or painted a solid color, then you don't really need to frame this depth of canvas.